Okay, just some quick corrections from yesterday. So looking through this paper, I'll fly through it and hopefully you'll have something similar on your side. Okay, so this spinner has two reds, a green and a yellow. What's the probability that the spinner will land on yellow? Well, there's one yellow out of four, so that's a quarter, so that letter is B. Second part, probability it lands on a red. There are two reds, so 2 out of 4 is the same as a half, 0.5. So letter C. Then the probability that it'll land on blue. There are no blues, so it's got a zero chance, so that would be A. Okay, and you go up and mark. Okay, done. Next question. So go to different probabilities of different colors. So 0.1, 0.4, 0.3. So the missing one here, it should add up to 1. So you're missing 0.2. That was the second question. So 0.2, get that out of the way. First question, there are 400 counters in a box. What's the probability that it'll be blue? So there's 0.1 out of a chance. It's 400, so you do 400 times 0.1. So you could do 400 times 1, it's 400. One decimal place is 40. Okay, 8 markets. Okay, this one, this is the numbers on the dice. So there's 6 sides on the dice. This is the number of times it came up. So frequency is the total number it came up. So there was 3, the number 3 came up 17 times. So you add up the numbers, 1 plus 7 plus 17 plus 6 plus 9 plus 3 equals, so it was 17 out of 43 in total. So using a calculator as a fraction, 17 over 43. If you press SD to get it to a decimal at 0.395, which becomes 0.40. Okay. If it was a fair dice, then it's got a 1 in 6 chance of coming up. Each number would have the same probability. So 1 in 6 as a decimal, 1 divided by 6, SD, and it's a decimal 0.166 recurring. So it becomes 0.17 actually, because it's 167, it's 16666. So comment on the experiment. So the dice appears to be fair or not fair? It is not fair. If you look at 1 only came up once and 3 came up 17 times, so it looks to be biased towards number 2. Okay, we will mark that. Okay, next question. So there are boys and girls in a class. What's the probability that they're different genders? So you would do 13 out of 19 as a fraction times 6 over 19, because there's 13 boys, so there's a 13 out of 19 chance that it's a boy. So 13 over 19 times 6 over 19. So this will be on the calculator paper. So that's 78 over 361. Okay, 78, 361. Hit market. Great stuff. Okay, so pause this whenever you need to. This one you had to fill in the probabilities. So bag 1, blue, there are 2 blues out of 6. So you don't have to simplify it this time. Normally you would, but you don't have to. So red, there are 4 out of 6. In bag 2, there are 4 blues out of 6 and 2 reds out of 6. So it's 4 out of 6 again and 2 out of 6. So pause it whenever you need to. Okay, so and the probability that they're different colors, so it could be blue and red. So that would be A times D, so 2 over 6 times 2 over 6. Plus, it could also have been red, blue. So B times E, which is 4 over 6, times E is 4 over 6. Okay, so then the results of that would be 2 over 6 times 2 over 6 is 4 over 6, plus 4 over 6 times 4 over 6 is 16 over 36. Becomes 20 out of 36, which is the same as 5 out of 9. Should work out. Okay. And that is all of them.